My name is John Harrison. I'm Vice President of Marketing for the Espoma Company. We're really excited about our new offering for fruit and berries called Berrytown. We've seen a lot of interest in growing blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, raspberries. They do require a very specific type of plant food, and we've created one just for them. So we're excited to put that in the marketplace. Also for that 2019 offering is a new 8-ounce citrus product. It's following the bottle configuration and style of our other indoor liquids. We see citrus as the new holiday poinsettia. It's the new plant that people have in their house, give as gifts and such. And there's a tremendous amount in having Meyer lemon and other citrus plants in containers. And so we're excited to put that in the marketplace. But what really makes it special is the cap. The cap is what we call the easy dose cap. So it measures a perfect amount every time. So all you really need to do is invert it once. It fills the dose. You open up the cap, you pour it into your watering can. You never have to worry about getting the right amount, worrying about getting it spilled on your hands, or is it going to have a smell or is it going to be dirty? It's all measured for you, so there's no real problem with worrying about how much you get each time you pour the dose. In the same vein, we have the tomato, which is an 18-ounce version of that same bottle with the same easy dose cap, but there again it's geared towards tomato crops, primarily outdoors, either in containers or in the garden. Last year we introduced the 4 RTU pesticides, the neem oil, the insect control, the insect soap, and copper soap under the Espoma Organic brand label. This year we've expanded that brand to include a non-selective weed and grass killer. It is very effective at killing off anything you spray it on. So if you have customers that are a little concerned about using glyphosate actives or Roundup, it's a good alternative to show that customer. And then also under the same label we have the slug and snail bait, which is an iron phosphate active, which can be used where kids and wildlife and animals and such. You don't have to worry about your dog or squirrels or other wildlife chewing it, eating it, and getting sick. So Espoma Organic Grow was introduced in 2016. It's part of a family of Start, Grow, and Bloom. And it was the original introduction of liquid plant foods with the easy dose cap. We're expanding that concept with the tomato we already talked about, as opposed to having something that's grow or bloom. Now it's going to be plant specific, which is like a lot of other plant foods, which are rose tone, holly tone, flower tone, azalea tone, citrus, what have you. For the first time, we're introducing into the lawn and garden business a plant-based resin in some of our plant foods. Now, we've always had poly packaging, and it's always been the same poly that everybody else uses, which is derived from fossil fuels. Now, 25% of our polyethylene is going to be derived from sugarcane, so it's a renewable, sustainable crop. To validate that, we've registered the packaging with the USDA's Biopreferred program. And what that basically means is that we're not just saying it's a biological-based resin, we're proving it by having it tested and verified by a third party sponsored by the United States Department of Agriculture. We have an organic product. We know our customer base is very interested in being friendly to the environment and interested in sustainable methods and such, and so we're just trying to go down that path and show them that we're committed to it as well. And it's also consistent with our manufacturing facility, which is 100% powered by the sun. So if you come to our facility, you'll see over an acre of solar panels on our roofs, so that all of the electricity that we consume is from a sustainable resource.